Hey, in this video you will learn how to get an API key for Chat-GPT/OpenAI. The first thing you have to do is navigate to platform.openai.com. And then you can choose here whether you want to sign up or you want to log in with an already existing Google, Microsoft or Apple account. And I'm going to choose to log in with my already existing Microsoft account. So I'm going to click here. This is my email address. And I'm going to log in with my password. Click sign in. Then you get a security prompt where Microsoft will ask you whether you want to grant access to OpenAI. You want to do this. And then OpenAI will ask you about your full name, organization, and your birthday. And as soon as your account has been created, you will be redirected to this page. Then navigate to Personal and click here on View API Keys. Click here on Create New Secret Key. You can give your secret key a name. For example, let's call this one Tutorial 2nd of June. And then you can create this secret key. Copy the key from here and just add it where you're going to need it, because from now on you won't be able to see the key anymore. The only thing you can do is revoke the key. So if you want to revoke the key, just click here on the garbage bin icon and the key will be revoked. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up in case it was helpful for you, and hope to see you back in one of our next videos.